Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Guru. Please click on the like, share and subscribe button.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to study about global and local variables in Python. So when we create a function, we declare some variables. These are the local variables of a function. But what are global variables? Let's see. Friends, consider I define a function fun. Inside the function I declare a variable a. Now I print the value of a. And now I am calling this fun function. Save the program. Run the program. So it gives the output as 10, right? It is very simple. But if I want to print value of a here in the main, can I do this? Let's run the program. No, I got error at line number 7. Name a is not defined here. Actually, whenever we define a function and we declare variables inside that function, these variables are the local variables of that function. It means scope of the variable is inside that function only. We cannot use this variable outside the function. It is not allowed. Right? So by default, every variable that we declare in a function is local and we can use it inside the function only. But if we want to declare a variable in such a way that it can be used anywhere throughout the program, what can we do? In such situation, we use global variables. Let's see. To declare a variable global, we declare it outside all the functions. Just look at this. I write g equal to 5. Now this g is a global variable. Let's print its value here. I write global variable inside function. Let's print the value of g here, and now I print it here also, global variable outside function. Alright, I save the program, I run the program. Look, now we can access g at both the locations. We declare g equal to 5 here outside all the functions, so it is a global variable. We can use this global variable inside this function also and inside main also. If I define any other function, then I can use that global variable in that function also. Okay friends, so we declare a global variable. But can we change value of a global variable inside a function? Let's try. Here I write g equal to 10. Friends, just look at here. What happened? I declare a global variable g equal to 5. Then I change its value inside a function and I display it. I got 10 here. But outside the function, when I printed the value of same global variable, I got 5. So what's happening? Basically, when we change the value of a global variable inside a function like this, then it is no more a global variable. It becomes a local variable. So we cannot change value of a global variable like this. In this situation right now, there are two g variables. This g equal to 5 is a global variable and this g equal to 10 will be a local variable. So how to change the value of global variable? It is very simple. Inside the function, just write one statement, global g. Now it is clear that this g equal to 10 means change the value of global variable. Let's run the program. Look, now I got 10 for both the statements. I declare a global variable g equal to 5. Inside the function I said use the global variable g. I said g equal to 10, I changed its value. So the global variable has changed its value from 5 to 10. So wherever I use this g, it will print 10 now. Alright. Now let's see one more scenario. Consider inside a function you want to use two variables with the same name. One you want to use as a global variable and one you want to use as a local variable. Can we do that? Yes, it is possible in Python. Let's see how. So first of all, I remove this global. Now I write g equal to 10. This g equal to 10 is my local variable. Alright. So I write proper comments with it to make it more readable. But now I want to access this global variable inside my program. So what can I do? I declare a variable x equal to, I call a function globals. So what this globals function does? This globals function get the value of all the global variables and store in x. If we declare 10, 20, 30, how many global variables? And some default variables are also that are working as global. It will get value of all the global variables and store in x. Let's print x and see. I save the program. I run the program. Look at this, friends. So we got so many values for x. And one of these values, g equal to 5. That is user defined. And we want to get this value. So we don't want all the global variables. We just want this one, g. So what can I do? I can simply write like this. So what will happen? Globals g, it will get the value of this global variable and store that global variable value in x. Let's print it. So global variable inside function, its name is x now. And now print local variable inside function. Let's save the program, run the program, and we got this output. Let's see. This is global variable g equal to 5. We defined a function. Inside the function g equal to 10 is a local variable. I got the value of global variable g stored in x. So x will have the value of this g. Then I displayed x. So I got 5. Then I displayed the local variable g. Local variable g is 10. So I got 10. Then outside the function I printed global variable, this g. So I got 5 again. Alright. Now our next requirement is we want to change this global variable value inside the function. Friends, if I write x equal to 20, will it change the value of global variable g? No. If you remember, I told you integers are immutable. If I write like this, it means now x will not have the value of global variable g, it will have the new value 20. So this is not the correct way to change the global variable. To change the value of a global variable, use globals function, get the value of g variable and assign a new value. Alright, now I save the program, I run my program and I got this output. Now let's try to understand it. So I declare a global variable g equal to 5. Inside the function I declare a local variable g equal to 10. Then I got the value of global variable, transfer that value in x. It means x will have 5. Then I said globals g equal to 20. It means now I am changing the value of my global variable. So my global variable g will become 20. Then I printed the value of x. So x is 5. That's why we got 5 here. Then I printed the local variable g. This local variable g is 10. So I got 10 here. After that, outside the function, we printed the global variable outside function g. Now we are printing the global variable. So global variable g is 20. That's why we got 20 here. So friends, in this way, by using this statement, we can change the value of global variables inside a function when we are having the same name local variable also. Alright. Now the question is why x is 5, x is not 20? Because I got the value of global variable g and store in x, so x become 5, and after that I change the global variable to 20, but x is having 5 only. Alright, that's why x is 5 but my global variable is 20. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed our today's session. Thank you so much for watching it. Please click on the like, share and subscribe button. Keep learning. Thank you.